Hello students, welcome to Sourav Sir Classes. So we are solving for the series Madras School of Economics and your expected question for 2025, and we are doing for the economics. So let's see what we have in question 4. So it is again from microeconomics, risk aversion, risk neutral, all about probability and variance. So let's do it. So here an individual prefers a certain income of $20,000 to a gamble with a 0.5 probability of $10,000 and a 0.5 probability of $30,000. Now to understand this, as we have to see the expected value and then only we can decide. So let's do it. Expected value will be expected value 0.5 multiplied by 10,000 plus 0.5 multiplied by 30,000, and that comes to 20,000. So here 20,000 equal to 20,000. So what we can see that our expected income is 20,000. So now the individual prefers a certain income of $20,000 over a gamble with the same expected value. This means the person is avoiding risk even when there is no monetary gain or loss. It's equal. So risk aversion. So preferring certainty over a fair gamble. So we can choose option B. We can infer that he or she is risk averse. Next question, let us jump on to the next question. Again from microeconomics, the dash elastic the demand curve faced by the monopolist, then the greater is its. So it's very easy. We know elastic and inelastic demand, the difference. Elastic demand means what? Elastic demand means that consumers are very responsive to the change in price. They are very responsive. And for inelastic demand, the consumers are less responsive to price change. Consumers are less responsive to price change. So here we can answer a monopolist's power to raise price without losing many customers will be greater than when their demand is less elastic. So the less elastic the demand means a more ability to set price above marginal cost. So then it will be less and monopoly power. So let's tell us if you need any more further details or explanation, and tell us if you need anything else, any solve more your paper, and do subscribe if you haven't. Thank you and best of luck for your examination.